Stellar, step in, set a trend.
I would like to say that our base of business was started around 1960s in Secunderabad called Patel Timber Depot. My grandfather Shivji Mikhi Patel started that, and then my father continued it.
Hi, this is Amir from Amir and Hamida. Good work for Ramesh Patel from Stellar. They started in the year 2010 and since then they have been aggressive and fabulous with the amount of stuff that they have in their showroom, which is a dream for all architects, interior designers, clients. They reach out to every palette, every taste. They have a wide range of materials for all budgets. They are extremely good with clients, with contractors. They're very helpful and extremely nice people. Ramesh, being my favorite and my friend, has always supported us and I'll do everything to support him. Thanks.
Stellar was started 4 years before, and this is India's first showroom which contains plywood, hardware, veneer, sanitary tiles of all the major brands.
Stellar is all about the unexpected.
Stellar is a brand which I can rely on for all my interior needs such as plywood, veneer, tiles, sanitary ware and other decorative panels. Now speaking specifically on veneers, which is the key material for all my interior projects, Stellar has tried hard and reached to every corner of the world and has brought down the best of the veneers available naturally, and we have used them in all our projects and they have been appreciated a lot.
We deal into all major brands of plywood in the ground floor, veneers, and the most exclusive highlighters from all part of the world. You get it in Stellar in the ground floor. When you move on to first floor, you have exclusive varieties of the kitchens, what we deal into from Germany, from Spain, from Italy, and we carry around 11 brands of hardware companies you see here.
I have a long association with Stellar Brothers and I have seen them grow to a bigger stage in business because of their hard work, dedication and passion for interior products. I wish them all the very best for the future endeavors.
The hardware and design accessories we carry has a style you won't find elsewhere, and things start getting interesting.
Stellar is actually, more like a family now to me. It is one stop to many of the products that we use in the interiors. Ramesh keeps himself abreast with the latest things that are happening in the market, not only in the Indian market but also internationally. So we get exposed to the new products that he keeps bringing it to us. And apart from that, I like the way he displays us, and the service is pretty good there. The staff takes care of us and gives us a very good display. So that's one of the reasons we like to go to Stellar. I really sincerely wish my team and myself all the best to Stellar, and I hope they get us more new products and we are abreast with the latest things that are happening around. Good luck.
Stellar is first India's concept store where you can find everything under one roof.
Stellar, the one-stop destination for quality, for all materials that you would need to style your space. It is a very, very qualitative store located in a very strategic central place, and Ramesh Bhai and his brothers are very, very dear to us. Please promote this.
From the first year of our operation, Stellar has been awarded the best sales and service in the category of plywood, hardware, sanitary and tiles in IIIT Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Interior Designers.
Stellar is a shopper's stop. Just go walk in, buy the best of what you want, come on.
My name is Suprajya Rao and I'm a practicing interior design professional based in Hyderabad. Stellar is a good store for the last 4 years. They come across as young, promising entrepreneurs, and I've seen them jointly work together with great bonding. And I wish them good luck, and I have no doubt in my mind that they will bring in new products into the city and excel in whatever they bring to us. Good luck.
We pull together hand-picked products and accessories from the coolest interior stores and designers, so you don't have to travel through endless brochures, magazines, websites and shops.
What can you say about Stellar? It's the one-stop destination for all your needs. The range is exhaustive, the deliveries are excellent, and you can always expect the unexpected from the store. It helps your design, your imagination. All the best to the team at Stellar. They're a wonderful team.
This amazing store helps enhance your imaginations and pick the right stuff for your dream home.
As its logo says, Stellar is always a star performer in all aspects.
Stellar, step in, set a trend.